Poppy the chicken is now behind bars 24 hours a day. Banged up for bad behaviour. Banged up for bad behaviour. And shock for Poppy's owner from Muxton near Telford.
Oh, we did for worms over there by the tree. Here, let's have a look. Should we take a look there and look for some worms? That sounds like a fun thing to do. Well, I'm sure you've already guessed what the film is. If you meet my new friend here, Princess Leia, we're getting on very well. In fact, I am indeed dressed up as Princess Leia. I'm not quite sure how I was convinced into doing that.
How real is this risk?
It's a beautiful sunny day at Slash Pit Farm at Corley in Warwickshire. The sheep baa, the pigs grunt, and the chickens cluck, and all seems perfectly normal.
Banged up.
He recognises us, darling, because we are
Belfield and Breese Corporation, ex-BBC presenters. Belfield and Breese Corporation, ex-BBC presenters.
Banged up. Poppy the chicken is now behind bars, banged up for bad behaviour.